Do you know how to talk about your relationships? In this video, you will learn English with a simple conversation about family. Let's practice useful phrases together.
Hi, Anna.
Hi, Tom. How are you?
Good. So, tell me about your family.
Sure. I have a big family.
Really? How many people are in your family?
There are 6 in my family.
6? Who are they?
My parents, my older brother, my younger sister, me, and our dog.
Oh, you have a dog. What kind of dog is it?
He is a golden retriever.
That's nice. What's his name?
His name is Max.
That's a cute name. What does your brother do?
He works as an accountant for a company.
And your sister?
She is a college student.
Are you close to your family?
Yes, I am, especially my sister.
What do you do together?
We often go shopping and eat out together. How about you, Tom? Do you have a big family?
No, I don't. I have a small family.
Who is in your family?
My parents, my older brother, and me.
Are you close to your brother?
Not really, but I am close to my parents.
That's nice.
We watch movies together.
That sounds fun too.
Do you play with your dog a lot?
Yes, I play with him every day.
That's great. I like dogs.
You should meet Max someday.
I'd love to.
How much did you understand? Are you close to is a very useful question in English. We use it to ask about relationships. For example, are you close to your boss? Close means you have a good and friendly relationship. Try using it in your daily life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.